Hi everyone, so I just thought I'd record a quick video. I'm just doing this myself now. I've got to add a domain to Systeme IO. I'm adding it from Hostinger because the old one's run out. And with Google and Yahoo's new spam filters and everything that's come into effect, if you don't have your own custom domain now, it's going to go straight to spam. So I just thought I'd record this video and show you how you actually do it. So we just click show instructions. First you just go to add domain and you just type in the domain what you've got with www before, and then these are your instructions. So you would go to Hostinger and you go to domains on Hostinger and you get the domain that you need and click manage. And you come to DNS name servers, and then this is where we add everything in here. So we want type, we want CNAME, and then in the first one, let's go back here, we want this part here. So we just want www, back to Hostinger, get rid of the @ take that in, and then target here, we want to go back to Systeme IO and grab everything here, back to Hostinger, Control V, add record. Now if you get any DNS like this where it says it's not valid or you've got any conflicts, just get any other CNAMEs that you've got and just delete them. That's it. So I should add this record now and it should add. There you go, added, no problem. So then we want to add the next one now, so we go back to Systeme IO. We want to grab this one here all the way up to the first dot. We copy that one there and go back to Hostinger and get rid of the @ add that in. We want the CNAME, Control V, and then for the target we go back and we want to grab everything here. I don't think you get the last dot in here, so I'm not going to bother with that. DNS, target, add the record, and that's it, done. Now you just come back to Systeme IO now, you just click this away, and then it should say, as you see here, pending validation. You're just going to wait 24 hours now. If you do want to see yourself, you just go to DNS checker, but obviously it won't have propagated yet. You just type in the it's not propagated for that yet, so it's just the normal. So yeah, it takes about 24 hours. If there's any problems, something it'll show instructions of what's gone wrong, and Systeme IO support's really good. So if there's any problems, just go straight to support and speak with them. You just click on here, just go to help, customer support, and you can just write in everything that you need here. But it normally just goes straight through with me, but like I say, support's amazing, even on a free account. If you want to use Systeme IO, I'll leave a link in the bio for you, and I'm going to be doing plenty of videos, and keep watching because I'm opening a new community to help affiliate marketers, so keep your eyes peeled and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.